Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If certain applications are missing from your volume mixer, then watch this video. Now, when I open the volume mixer, I will see that you have the Firefox is on, OBS is on, Zoom is on, and the basic computer speaker is visible to me. All these are visible to me. But if I want more of these options to be listed, then I will have to right click on the start button, go to settings, click on system, then click on sound and scroll down. You will come to more sound settings, and then you need to click on the active system. Here I have speakers, but if you're using headphones, then it's headphones. Then right click on the active output and then click on properties. Now go to advanced, and in advanced you have to make sure that these boxes are checked. Exclusive mode allow applications to take exclusive control of the device, give exclusive mode applications priority. Then click on apply, click on OK, and then these missing applications should appear in the volume mixer. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.